Do you need to replace your coil packs or spark plugs on a Toyota Corolla? Then check out this video to find out how. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have this 2008 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace your coil packs and also pointing out where your spark plugs are located. So this is the version with the 1.8 litre petrol engine and it's a very common engine in these models. Now it should be the same process for all petrol models from 2006 all the way to 2012, but you'll be able to see once we're in the engine bay, if your engine looks the same, it should be the exact same process. Now to do this, obviously we have to pop the hood, and to do that you're going to go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, we're just going to put our hand in just above the Toyota badge and push that lever there to the left. And then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Now I should mention the only tool you're going to need for this job is a 10mm socket or spanner, and that's for the coil packs themselves. Obviously you'll need a spark plug tool and an extension bar if you're going to be looking at getting the spark plugs out. Now the spark plugs on this are quite a strange size, they're not your typical size, and it uses a 9/16 spark plug tool, which I actually can't find mine at the moment. So I'm just going to move the camera and I'll start to show you how we get the cover off and where the coil packs are located. So as I say, we now need to get the black cover off, and it's nice and simple to do. There's a couple of poppers at the front, one over there in the corner, and there should be one here as well, but this one has actually been broken off at some point. So I'm just going to put that cover down to keep it safe. And now we can obviously see the top of the engine. It's nice and simple on these models, there's nothing too hidden. So you can see these 4 black rectangles on top of the engine with the electrical connections. These are actually our coil packs. So as you can see, there's different colors and they alternate, and make sure you don't ever swap over any of the connections, because then obviously your firing order will be wrong. Now all we're going to do is just get that electrical connection and pull it straight off. There is just a push tab that you pop in, and we're going to go ahead, get our 10mm socket. We're just going to remove one of these bolts fully, and it is the same process for all 4 of the coil packs. And that's how long the bolt is. So once that's off, the coil pack's actually free to come all the way off, and this has come off really easy. And looking at this already, I can tell this is a pattern part, so this is not an original one. I would imagine the original one would have been made by Denso or someone, being a Toyota. But this is a pattern part, and this is probably a good discussion point. These pattern parts are great. This car has actually done about 250,000 kilometers, so it could even be its 2nd or 3rd set of coil packs. Now I'd always recommend that you replace all of the coil packs at the same time. However, I know sometimes budgets do stop you from doing that, so it is a good idea to replace them at the same time, but you can in fact just replace the broken one as well. And just to show you inside that tube where the spark plug's located, it's just down there. Like I say, pretty annoying that I don't have the 9/16 spark plug removal tool, otherwise I'll be able to show you one of those out. So then I'm just actually going to show you it one-handed, just showing that it's not a tough job to do. So you're just going to push that down, making sure it seats on top of the spark plug. Now it doesn't always click in, like this one's popping straight off, but that's not a problem because the bolt will actually hold it straight down onto the top of the spark plug. And being a pattern part, they probably don't fit as well as they could, and you would have seen it just pop straight out as well. So obviously wasn't clicked onto the top of the spark plug when I removed it. I'm just going to get my small socket there. Don't need to do it up too tight. And then once that's done, just going to go ahead and click that electrical connection in. I'd always recommend you probably do these one at a time. That way you're not going to get any of the electrical connections mixed up. And then we're going to put back on our cover. As you were seeing before, I do have one popper missing. But there you go. So that's how easy it is to remove and replace the coil packs, and also pointing out where those spark plugs are located on a Toyota Corolla from 2008. If If you found that video helpful, please do go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.